I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming backups and creating or locating a Windows 10 installation USB. This gives you recovery tools. Next, plug the USB into a working port and reboot. Open the BIOS/UEFI boot menu and force the system to boot from the USB. While doing this, make sure power and drive connections are secure so hardware errors don't confuse diagnostics. Once you're booted to the installer, choose Repair Your Computer. Then Troubleshoot. We'll run targeted checks and commands from there. Once in Troubleshoot, try Automatic Repair first. It can fix startup issues automatically. If it fails, open Command Prompt and run chkdsk/f/r to repair disk errors, then sfc/scano to restore system files, and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. After file checks, make sure the boot configuration is intact. Run bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild. These steps after repairs, remove any unnecessary USB devices and reboot to verify success. External peripherals often cause I/O errors. If you still see 0xc00000e9, reset BIOS/UEFI to defaults and confirm SATA mode is correct for your drive. Mismatched modes can block Windows. Finally, try reseating or replacing SATA/USB cables and test the drive on another PC. If none of that works, restore a full image backup or perform a clean install. Troubleshooting tip: test hardware with a bootable diagnostics tool to isolate failing drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.